we go.
Hello everyone, this is John with Money on the Floor Currency Trader. Right now we're showing off the new robot we got right here, John's Money Diamond Scalper. This is a new one that I've come up with. We keep trying to make these better and better because as I use them, I've run into a little bit of trouble, and I was looking for something to be able to run all the time and still make a profit. Where we had the RSI diamond and a couple of the other diamonds worked really good, but still they had trouble at the bottom. They got beat up at a couple of these ones down here at the bottom once in a while. Took one down at the bottom, had a bigger loss, and I was trying to stop that from happening. Still made good money, but could make more if we didn't have that happen. So that's why I keep pushing on these robots, trying to make them better and better, and because I'm using these to make money for me. And lately the market's gotten so hard trading that it's almost impossible to manually trade this by yourself. It's very difficult because the market shoots down out of nowhere, shoots up out of nowhere, has fast moving candles where it's pretty much any little mistake you lose money, any second guessing you lose money, and you can even be on the right side, but the market will freak you out enough to where eventually you'll make the mistake and end up going the wrong way, and then they take the money all back from you even though you knew where it was going to go anyway. So that is the whole problem with this. So right now we still have the diamonds work really good. And also the big money scalpers, another one of my favorites, which I use all the time. This one's working really good too. These are my two favorites, but we have a new one on the market, which still goes with the diamonds. And this is it right here. Basically, it does the same thing, but what we've done is we incorporated from the big money the fact that we're using the triangle MACD, the 1 minute and the 5 minute. All three need to be in line to be able to take a diamond trade. This way it keeps possibly these ones at the very bottom from happening. Like that one right there won't happen because we have one green bar. This one right here would have happened, but there was still enough room to make money. Not all of them are bad. I mean, even some of these going to take out that one right there, which would have made money, but we got to take out some of the good ones to for sure get some of the bad ones. So like right in here, all three are green all the way up to that point, really good. But the next one, which would probably lose, it would not take. So that's great. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for something that can make money and bring it in day and night and not have to worry. So now if the market's really sideways, I would definitely shut it off. There's no reason to let it run. If you know it's going to be like that, that's why we put the buttons on. All you got to do is come into here. As you like, let's say we're trading up, and like this last one right here, we're hitting the 200. I would already have that turned off and waiting to take profit as it hit it. Then I'd wait to see if we get a diamond above it, and then I would start trading up. And that's usually how I work that. So yes, you do still got to be a little bit agile with your trading, but it's a lot easier to trade manually on this with robotic help. Even if you let it run by itself, yes, it'll still have losses, but the end result, it makes money, and that's the whole idea. So if we pull up the diagram right here, you can see that it made money. Yes, it still had losing areas in here. It's always going to have losing areas because the market oscillates. That's what the market does. It is out for everybody. It's out for blood. It's out for your money. So it will try to get your money back, but the end result, if you left the money in, it made money. And that's really what we're all about. It's better than this going the other direction, and that you try to take it out on the moves that are going up, which are actually, let's say if you're only trying to take down moves, very difficult to make money on this. There's not very many, every time you made a mistake, it went back up, and that's the idea. So we want to stay with the trend, we want to make money with the trend, and that's what this robot does. You can see here it had a really good equity curve. Let me pull this down. I mean, the expected payout was 142, which is really good. Sometimes they're just 101, something like that, but not bad. Now on here we have the what I look at is the maximum drawdown. So relative drawdown, $231. That's not bad for a $1,000 account. It's pretty good, even though it's making money up, up, up. Let's see here. The average, the maximum drawdown was about $47, but let's say you had three in a row, you would be this amount right here. That's what we're looking for, something like that, 120. Maybe this one here must have been 4 or 5 in a row, and that's what it took you down. So that would be the relative drawdown, and that's pretty good. That's affordable, so that you're not too scared letting this run all the time. It will not eat up all your money. It will actually, if you let it run, but you can't get scared. It's going to have little drawdowns. It's going to have areas where it makes money because it shows it here. That's the whole idea. You can see that it does. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. So you got to let it run. Now, doesn't mean we can't try to take out some of this part where it goes down by using the buttons. So it works out really nice. We can see this one here started with $1,000 account. Went for about 7-8 days. I'm not sure on the days on here. It should tell us. Maximum length trades, 1. I'm not sure on this one. Have to look it up. But right now we can see that it made $1,000 easy on this right here. I think it was only running 7 days. Let me see how many trades it had. So it's still at 356 trades. So that's pretty good. It has a lot of trades throughout the day. It makes a lot of trades. So that's the whole idea. It's pretty awesome. And it makes money. And that's the whole idea. The idea is that it comes in here, makes you money day and night. And then what I like to do is run it until I get to about $300 or $400. I shut it off. I go to bed and worry about the next day. Start it up again. Look for the beginning of the sessions to open up, because that's why I got the sessions on here. You can see right here we have the sessions on here, so that as soon as they open up New York session, we turn it on. Had one sell trade, didn't make much money, and after that it sold all the way down, and then it started buying back up again. It's very difficult trading today, you know, being a holiday and everything, so it's pretty crazy, but still it made money. And if you go backwards, let's hit that button right there, I think, and we go backwards. You can see here, this is where we make our real money, is when we got a big trend. So when we got a big move up, this thing makes money, 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 money. So, and it stops right over here, because if we notice, it stopped taking trades around this area. It won't take all these trades. It will take, like that one there, it'll miss, but it will take that trade, make money. Take that trade, make money. Take that one, make money. These two here made money. That one did not take it, but the next 3 took it. And then we have no take, and then we have a take, and then the rest are all no takes. So as you get towards the top, it stopped taking trades until it's tried to go back down the other way. Now in here we had one that was a sell that went down, made money. This one didn't take it, and then after that the market turned around and we're looking for buys. Now here we are at the top. We had one right here, which was that one here would have taken it, but there was just a tiny room to get out. We're looking for just small trailing stops, and then after that the next two it did not take it until we got to the sells, and it started selling down at the bottom. So it got 2 of them in there. So the idea is it cuts out a lot of trades, but it cuts out the ones that hurt us, and that's the whole idea. We're here to make money, not give it away, and this definitely helps. So if you're looking for an EA that will help you make money, the 2 best ones on the market from me are going to be John's Big Money and the Diamond Scalper. So they're both on sale this weekend. They will be going back to the normal price. They're on sale for $3.99. And if you get a hold of me and want to buy both of them, maybe I can cut you another deal. So we'll see. Send me an email and we'll see what we can do. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. Let's make money in the markets. Have a great day. Bye-bye.